The world is on the brink of a technological revolution. Artificial intelligence is changing everything. Microsoft is at the forefront of this change. Their vision is clear: AI for all. This means making AI accessible to everyone, not just a select few. Imagine a world where AI empowers individuals, businesses, and communities. This is the future Microsoft is building. This isn't just about fancy gadgets or futuristic robots. It's about using AI to solve real-world problems. It's about making our lives easier, our work more productive, and our world a better place. Join us as we explore how Microsoft is making this vision a reality. 2024 is a pivotal year for AI. This year marks a significant leap in the evolution of artificial intelligence, with innovations that are set to transform the way we live and work. Microsoft is leading the charge with groundbreaking initiatives. Their commitment to advancing AI technology is evident in their latest projects and collaborations, which are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. CEO Satya Nadella has made AI a cornerstone of Microsoft's strategy. Under his leadership, the company is not just adopting AI, but integrating it deeply into its core operations and vision for the future. The impact is being felt across industries. Productivity is soaring as AI tools streamline processes and enhance human capabilities. From manufacturing to office environments, AI is revolutionizing workflows. Cloud services are getting smarter. Microsoft's Azure platform is incorporating advanced AI to provide more efficient, scalable, and secure cloud solutions, connecting businesses globally with unprecedented ease. Even our daily lives are being touched by the power of AI. From smart home devices that learn our preferences to AI assistants that help manage our schedules, the technology is becoming an integral part of our everyday routines. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and with greater accuracy. This means earlier detection and more effective treatments, ultimately saving lives and improving patient outcomes. Imagine personalized treatment plans tailored to your unique genetic makeup. AI is making this a reality, offering customized healthcare solutions that are more effective and less invasive. In education, AI is personalizing the learning experience for every student. By analyzing individual learning styles and progress, AI tools can provide tailored educational content that maximizes each student's potential. Imagine a world where every student has access to the best tutors and resources, regardless of their background or location. AI is bridging the gap, bringing quality education to even the most remote areas. These are just a few examples of how Microsoft is using AI to make a real difference. The future is bright, and with AI at the helm, the possibilities are truly limitless. With great power comes great responsibility. Microsoft understands this. That's why they are committed to developing and deploying AI responsibly. This starts with education. Microsoft is working with universities around the world to integrate ethical AI principles into their curricula. They are also encouraging the development and implementation of responsible AI guidelines. Microsoft is fostering partnerships to create a responsible AI ecosystem. This ecosystem will ensure that AI-powered automation is used for good. It will also ensure that AI enhances human capabilities, rather than replacing them. Imagine a world where AI helps us make better decisions, not just faster decisions. This is the future Microsoft is working towards. Microsoft is committed to democratizing AI globally. Their investment in Mexico is a testament to this commitment. Microsoft is investing $1.3 billion in Mexico to enhance AI infrastructure and skills development. This investment will empower individuals and businesses across the country. A key part of this investment is the Artificial Intelligence National Skills Program. This program aims to train 5 million people in AI skills. Imagine a new generation of Mexican entrepreneurs, innovators, and problem solvers empowered by AI. This program will not only democratize access to AI skills, but also promote inclusive economic growth. Microsoft's investment is a game changer for Mexico, positioning the country as a leader in the global AI revolution. Section 5: AI in your pocket, co-pilot, and everyday efficiency. AI is no longer a distant concept confined to research labs. It's in your pocket, ready to assist you with your daily tasks. Microsoft's Copilot technology is a prime example of this. Copilot is an AI-powered assistant integrated into various Microsoft products. Imagine this: you're writing an email and struggling to find the right words. Copilot steps in, suggesting more eloquent and professional phrasing. You're creating a presentation and need compelling visuals. Copilot generates high-quality images and graphics tailored to your content. Copilot is like having a personal assistant, always ready to lend a helping hand. It's making our lives easier, one task at a time. Section 6. The Future of Work AI and Evolving Skill Sets. The workplace is changing, and AI is a major driving force behind this transformation. From automating mundane tasks to providing advanced data analytics, AI is reshaping the way we approach our daily work. The 2024 Work Trend Index, a joint report by Microsoft and LinkedIn, highlights AI's profound impact on how we work, lead, and hire. This report delves into the various ways AI is being integrated into business processes and the resulting changes in organizational dynamics. One of the key findings is the rapid adoption of generative AI in the workplace. Generative AI is not just a buzzword, it is becoming a critical tool for innovation and efficiency. Generative AI tools can create content, analyze data, and automate tasks, freeing up human employees to focus on more strategic and creative endeavors. This allows for a more dynamic and flexible work environment where human creativity and strategic thinking are paramount. This shift is creating a demand for new skills, particularly in areas like AI development, data science, and AI ethics. As AI continues to evolve, so too must our skill sets. Continuous learning and adaptation are becoming essential. Microsoft is committed to equipping the workforce with the skills needed to thrive in this AI-powered future. Through various training programs and initiatives, Microsoft aims to ensure that employees are not just prepared for the changes AI brings, but are also empowered to leverage these technologies to their fullest potential. Section 7. AI, Safety and Ethics, Building Trust in Technology. As AI becomes more powerful and pervasive, it's crucial to address the ethical considerations surrounding its development and deployment. The integration of AI into various aspects of our lives brings both opportunities and challenges. From healthcare to finance, AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, but it also raises important questions about privacy, security, and fairness. Microsoft recognizes this and has made AI safety and ethics a top priority. The company is committed to creating AI technologies that are not only innovative, but also trustworthy. This commitment is reflected in their comprehensive approach to AI development, which includes rigorous testing and validation processes. The company is investing heavily in research and development to ensure that its AI systems are fair, reliable, and unbiased. By collaborating with academic institutions and industry partners, Microsoft is at the forefront of AI research, pushing the boundaries of what is possible while maintaining a strong ethical foundation. One area of focus is mitigating bias in AI algorithms. Bias in AI can have significant consequences affecting everything from hiring practices to criminal justice. Microsoft is dedicated to identifying and addressing these biases to ensure that their AI systems are equitable and just. Bias can creep into AI systems through the data they are trained on, potentially leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. To combat this, Microsoft employs a variety of techniques, including diverse datasets and advanced machine learning models, to detect and mitigate bias. Microsoft is developing techniques to detect and mitigate bias, ensuring that its AI systems treat everyone fairly. This involves continuous monitoring and updating of AI models to adapt to new data and changing societal norms. Trust is essential for the widespread adoption of AI. Without trust, users may be hesitant to embrace AI technologies, limiting their potential benefits. Microsoft understands this and is committed to building and maintaining trust through transparency, accountability, and ethical practices. By prioritizing safety and ethics, Microsoft is building trust in this transformative technology. Their efforts ensure that AI can be a force for good, enhancing our lives while respecting our values and principles. Through these initiatives, Microsoft is paving the way for a future where AI is not only powerful, but also responsible and trustworthy. Section 8. Global Partnerships for Responsible AI. Addressing the ethical challenges of AI requires a global effort. Microsoft is actively forging partnerships with governments, organizations, and researchers worldwide to promote responsible AI development and deployment. One such partnership is with G42, a leading AI and cloud computing company based in the United Arab Emirates. Together, Microsoft and G42 are establishing 2 centers in Abu Dhabi focused on advancing responsible AI practices. These centers will serve as hubs for research, collaboration, and knowledge sharing, fostering the development of industry standards and best practices. By working together, Microsoft and its partners are shaping a future where AI benefits all of humanity. Section 9. Conclusion: An inclusive AI-powered future. Microsoft's vision for AI is clear: AI for all. Through its innovative initiatives, strategic investments, and unwavering commitment to responsible AI, Microsoft is democratizing access to this transformative technology. From empowering individuals with AI-powered tools to transforming industries with intelligent solutions, Microsoft is shaping an inclusive AI-powered future. This is a future where AI helps us solve the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to healthcare disparities. It's a future where AI augments human capabilities, empowers us to achieve more, and creates a more equitable and sustainable world for all. Microsoft's journey in AI is just beginning, and the possibilities are limitless. Let's embrace this exciting future together.